So in this session, you will learn how you can create a user account in Windows 11. There are multiple ways to create a user account in Windows 11. But before creating a user account, let's try to understand why we need to create a user account in Windows computer. Let's take an example. So there are 24 hours in a day, but duty hours is 8. But if we divide 24 by 8, we get 3. That means on a single PC, 3 users are logging one by one and complete the tasks that are given by a company. In another way, let us assume you have a laptop or desktop in your home. Your brother or sister wants to do some work on the laptop. In that case also, you can create your brother account and your sister account in your laptop. If she wants to do some task, they will log in with their own user account. If brother want to do something on the computer, they will log in with their own account. There are two types of user accounts in a local system. Number one, administrator account. Number two, standard user account. With the help of administrator, you will globally change in your laptop or desktop. Global change means they will install any application or remove any application. They can install a game or remove a game. They will change the date and time option. If they want to do something like these tasks, they must log in as an administrator account. But on the other hand, if the user want to use only installed applications in your laptop, in that case they will log in as a standard user account, because standard user account cannot be installed any application. They will only use the installed applications. So there are multiple ways to create a user account in Windows 11. Number one, you can use the DOS commands. DOS stands for Disk Operating System. Number two, PowerShell. Number three, Control Panel. Number four, Local User Management Console. Windows 11 comes in 4 editions. Number one, Home Edition. Number two, Professional Edition. Number three, Enterprise Edition. Number four, Education Edition. With the help of Professional, Enterprise and Education Edition, you can create the user account with all these 4 methods. But in Home Edition, there is no local user and group management console is available. In that case, you will create the users only by 3 methods: DOS, PowerShell and Control Panel.